feeling?
Happiest moment of my cheer career ever. I am so beyond happy right now.
How would you describe this season, what this team went through to get you to this point at the top today?
This cheer team has gone through so many ups and downs, and we have been so close the entire season, working through so much together, hard practices, good practices. We've lost some people and we've gained some people that we love forever, and this team will always have a special place in my heart.
What made this weekend so memorable for this team?
Being with these girls, cheering with them, and having the best coaches ever by our sides. I love this team so much.
We love you guys no matter what, and you are 2024 Summit Champions!